Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to practically show you how to uninstall Eclipse IDE or any other application from a Mac machine. So let's get started. For example, I want to remove or uninstall Eclipse IDE from this machine. So what is the process? Simple. I have to click on this Finder. In this Finder, I have to select the applications. And in these applications, I have to search for the required application that I want to uninstall. For example, here I'll click on the search and search for this Eclipse. Okay. Once I search for Eclipse, I got a lot of things here related to Eclipse. That's okay. Next, what I will do here is I'll click on this plus and then here select this drop down and select other. In this displayed dialog, I'll just type SYS. System files will come. Select also the system files. Okay, when you are searching here for Eclipse, it should also give you the system files, okay, related to Eclipse. Say okay. So now here, come here to this drop down and select the system files and are included. Select are included. Now select all these options, guys. Okay, select all these options related to Eclipse. Just right click and say move to trash. Simple, guys. Move to trash. Everything related to Eclipse will be removed from your machine. Okay, everything related to Eclipse software will be removed. So this is the process, guys. Not only for Eclipse. If you want to remove any other software from your machine in the future, follow this process. Just go to the Finder, go to the applications, and search for the required software. And you are not only uninstalling that software, but also removing the related files, the files that are related to that particular software also you're removing using this process. Okay. Now Eclipse has been successfully uninstalled from this machine. Now, once that is uninstalled, go here, type Eclipse, see where you can find an Eclipse. You see no Eclipse, right? And go to the launchpad, you see Eclipse is not there. Nowhere you will find Eclipse, guys. Okay. You cannot use Eclipse anymore because it got successfully uninstalled along with the related files. It got uninstalled. So this is a process for uninstalling the Eclipse IDE or any other application from a Mac operating system. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.